Right, today's our model railway show that we held every year. This is our 35th year, and this is actually our last one here at the R&A. We're now going to Doomben Racecourse next year. There's model trains from all parts of the world. A lot of people say they never miss it. The exhibition finishes on Monday. We've got, today it finishes at 5, tomorrow is 9 till 5, which is Sunday, and Monday's 9 till 4.
We've been here for most years for the last 10 years. The children love it. You can hear them cry Lego as they come through the door. And the adults, secretly, they love it too. Because a few of them do confess that they have Lego at home, which they use when the kids are away. It's a wonderful day, but as you can see, most of the kids like to see what the Lego, because they can see they can do that themselves.